Hi, good afternoon. I'm Lekha Ravi. I'm currently pursuing my master's in applied microbiology in Vellore Institute of Technology, Vellore, Tamil Nadu. I recently participated in a 5 days workshop on genomics and proteomics, which was held from 8th July to 12th July. It was very informative and very useful. We could learn a lot of tools and techniques which were used in in understanding the genomes and proteomes. Thank you for giving us such a platform and opportunity to learn all these techniques. And I would also like to participate in further workshops and I would like to learn more. Thank you.
Morning friends, recently I have attended a workshop on genomics and proteomics conducted by Biodiscovery Group, which was very informative, and I learned that how to retrieve biological sequence from NCBI and how to further process it, which include structure and functional annotation of those sequences, homology modeling, and much more. Thank you.
It was a good informatic session all 5 days. Hand-on session helped me in clearing out doubts and building my concept on the topic.
Hello everyone, I am Dick Starvasutanga. Recently I took part in 5 days workshop in Genomic and Proteomics organized by Biodiscovery Group LifeSciences. It was very helpful for me as I could obtain a lot of information and knowledge and experience from the workshop. This kind of workshop is very useful for everyone who loves to learn new things in life. The instructors are also very friendly and taught very well and have patience with everyone in the group. I am looking forward to attend more and more workshops related to my study in future. Thanks for Biodiscovery Group. Thank you.
Hi, this is Dibulman Simyong from the Department of Botany, St. Andrews College, Shillong, Meghalaya. And I've just attended your workshop on genomics and proteomics from the 16th to 20th of July 2020. Thank you very much, Biodiscovery Group India. I've learned a lot from this workshop, and I've learned all the required tools and techniques, which I strongly believe that I will be able to use them in my research. And I look forward to learning more from your future workshops. Thank you very much.
Hello, myself Orko Mukherjee. I'm lived in Kolkata. I completed master degree in zoology from Bidhannagar Government College. Now I'm appearing for PhD and an aspirant of NET. I am quite interested in genomics and proteomics as my special paper is genetics and molecular biology. I appeared the workshop held by BDG Group Genomics and Proteomics, which is held by 16th July to 20th July, and it is extended for 2 days for our betterness. Our advisor trained us very much and give our valuable time from us. We enjoyed the workshop very much. It is very valuable in this situation. I am very happy to attend this workshop, and I think our knowledge is quite better by appearing this workshop. Thank you.